So we're going to jump right into it and we're going to talk about sequences. A set of numbers which are connected by same definite law is called a sequence of numbers. Each of the numbers in the sequence is called terms of sequence. 1, 3, 5, and 7 are called terms of sequence. Each of the numbers in the sequence, 1, 3, 5, and 7 are terms of sequence. Now, we're asked to find the next term of sequence. Realize that this series is going down by 2. So it's 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. So 7 plus 2 would be 9. So the next series, it's 9. So by adding 2 each time, we arrive by adding 2 at all times. 2 to 1, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 7 plus 2, we arrive at 9. And this series is going down by using 2 each time, by adding 2 each time. The second series or sequence, 2, 6, 18, and 54. 2, if you multiply 2 times 3, you get 6, 6 times 3, you get 18, 18 times 3, gets 54, 54 times 3, get 162. Another example is finding 2 terms of the following. So we need to find the 2 terms of the following. So the first term, we're finding the 2 terms of the following. So the second term is found by dividing the first term by 2. The third term is found by dividing the second term by 2. Hence, the fourth term will be found by dividing 28 by 2, which would have been, gives you 14, which is the fourth term. First, second, third, fourth term. And the fifth term will be found by dividing 14 by 2, which would have given 7. The answer was, so the second term was found by dividing the first term by 2. And the third term was found by dividing the second term by 2. So the fourth term was found by dividing 28 by 2, and the fifth term was found by dividing 14 by 2. We'll move on over to reducing a fraction to its lowest term. 3 eighths, 7 16, and 3 over 52 are in their lowest term. 3 eighths, 7 16, 3 over 52 are in their lowest term. It is impossible to find a number which will divide exactly into both the top and the bottom of the numbers. So that is why these numbers are in their lowest term. We cannot find a number that can divide into the numerator or the denominator. So they are considered to be in their lowest terms. Right. Fraction like these, 9 over 18, 8 over 12, and 21 over 24 are not in their lowest terms. 9 over 18, 8 over 12, and 21 over 24 are not in their lowest term. Why? Because we can find numbers that can go both into the numerator and the denominator of all 3 fractions. So we're going to show for 9, for example, take 9 over 18. 9 over 18. What and the same number that you use to divide the numerator, you have to use it to divide the denominator. So 3 into 9 goes 3 times, 3 into 18 goes 6 times. It can go lower. 3 into itself goes 1 time. So 3 into 3, 3 into itself goes 1 time. 3 into 6 goes 2 times. So the answer is a half. So it is in its lowest form. It is in its lowest form. Take 8 over 12. 4 into 8 goes 2 times. 4 can go into 8 and 4 can go into 12. 4 into 12, 3 times. So the answer is 2 over 3, which is now into its lowest form. So the same number that you used to divide the numerator is the same number that you used to divide the denominator. You find a number that can go into 8 without leaving a remainder, and the same number must be able to divide into 12